The structured explanation of the video AI/ML model, ISO 21001 AMR Heatmap, dark theme, image tailored for top management, middle management, and operations level. Model by Pradeep K. Suri. Large blue diamond overview of the heat map. X-axis, annual management review, AMR, outcome areas. Satisfaction, improvement, risks identified. Y-axis, ISO 21001 process categories. Compliance and regulatory, learner services, academic communication, stakeholder feedback, staff involvement, resource allocation, curriculum design, learner needs. Color scale, represents the score, 0 to 100, for each process category vs outcome. Bright yellow equals high score, near 100. Dark purple equals low score, below 70. Green/blue equals moderate scores. Compass management level interpretation. Yellow square top management perspective. Focus, strategy, governance, risks, policy alignment. Key observations. High scores. Compliance and regulatory and staff involvement scored very well in satisfaction, showing alignment with standards and engaged leadership. Curriculum design shows excellent improvement, reflecting effective academic planning. Risk zones. Curriculum design and resource allocation scored poorly in risks identified, possibly indicating hidden inefficiencies or underreported issues. Actionables. Reinforce investment in risk monitoring in curriculum and resources. Continue strategic compliance and staffing practices. Green square middle management perspective. Focus, process optimization, team alignment, execution of policy. Key observations. Stakeholder feedback shows high risk awareness but low satisfaction, possible disconnect between engagement and outcomes. Learner services scored poorly in satisfaction but excellent in risk identification, indicating proactive problem recognition but room for service improvement. Actionables. Bridge the gap between feedback and actionable improvement. Revisit service quality and delivery mechanisms. Blue square operations level perspective. Focus, day-to-day execution, student experience, quality monitoring. Key observations. Academic communication and learner needs score moderately across all outcomes, suggesting consistent but improvable execution. High variance in staff involvement and resource allocation between satisfaction and risks, possible bottlenecks or underutilization. Actionables. Encourage consistent communication processes. Ensure timely feedback loops and adequate resource distribution. White heavy checkmark summary table. Management level focus area key action. Top management strategic policy and risk, improve curriculum and resource risk reporting. Middle management process and stakeholder alignment, address dissatisfaction with feedback and services. Operations level execution, communication, resources, standardize academic support and responsiveness. Thank you.